So thanks for joining me here today. I know you're on site for a big job right now, and you're going to give me a few minutes.
Hey, I was so impressed with your results. I asked if I could just share my experience. Introducing, your guys' platform to the businesses I'm invested in has been very successful, not only in my old business, but also in other businesses inside of our franchise network. So it's been fantastic. Being a senior lead consultant in the restoration industry now over 25 years in, I'm absolutely impressed with the guys' process, your follow through, your grade A, top-notch team. The follow-through is great because, right, last thing you want to do is sign up and never hear back, right? You buy a new car, you never get it, right? And so been really impressed with your guys' platform and really moving our company from page 34 to page 1 on Google, and just really overall helping us grow. It's been successful. So I've been really impressed, and just it's a game changer. I mean, I am blown away, and the results speak for themselves, and it's been short, sweet, to the point, Isaac. That's all I gotta say.
Appreciate you. Thanks so much. I'll let you get back to your job.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nathan. For the best news on AI for the restoration